Welcome to YOUCANIC. So today we're going to remove our window, our front window, driver's window, out of our 2008 Toyota Camry. And so to remove this window, we've taken the door panel off, and then with the window raised up about 3.5 inches, or this is at 3.5 inches, but it can be anywhere between 3 to 4. And that way it gives you access to get to this bolt. And then the bolt over here, a lot of times they have just a little access, but this bolt over here, you can either reach in with a wrench and undo it through this hole here, or you just pop off the speaker. So we're just going to pop off the speaker. So it's going to be 4 number 10 bolts. And then just kind of pull the bottom out, and you can drop it down. That way we gain access to this bolt that's holding, the front bolt that's holding the window in. So we can undo that. And then this, we can just pull this back enough to be able to loosen this bolt back here and remove it. With those 2 bolts removed, and now we can raise the window out. So you're going to grip the window, pull it up, bring it at an angle, and when you put it at an angle, you'll be able to pull the whole window out and remove it. And so that's how you remove your driver window. Same would apply to the passenger window. The rear windows are a little bit different, but that's how you remove your window out of your 2008 Toyota Camry. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.